righty. So you stretched all your shoes out. Now they all fit you. Where are you gonna put them? It's the StoreSmith double shoe storage rack system. Now, how about literally doubling the space for your shoes? I know we all have these little closets and we're all looking, where do we put it? Also, you know, I really like this is if you live, you know, in the north and where it gets cold, you can elevate them and not put them on your nice carpet. So it's a birthday price under $20 and you get a 5-pack. You're getting 5 of them. Megan Clemente is our guest here, who always has a very special place in my heart because I was your very first host.
You sure
I love
this lady.
All right, this woman is nuts. Okay, listen to this.
Oh no.
She has a degree in electrical engineering, but she was also Miss Florida 2010. Who does that?
I know, but you know I have a lot of shoes.
You do have a lot of shoes.
After being in pageant land, you know I need this.
I know. No, but who's like the smartest person and the most beautiful at the same time? It's Megan Clemente.
You are just so sweet.
Yes, and a mom,
I'm totally obsessed with this because I have so much stuff. I have so much stuff. And it's just collected over the years. And
how many pairs of shoes do you have? That's how many I have.
Oh, good. Okay, good.
We have the same amount.
Well, the fun thing is I like to have my shoes on the floor, and I like to have them across the entire floor of my closet. Now, because of this system, it's a modular system. It's individual pieces that when you push them together, it's a cohesive unit. I can double the amount of shoes that I have on the floor. I can see every single pair. I know exactly where they are.
No, that's the key right there. You can see every single pair. You really,
I know you can relate to me. Have you ever been late in the morning? You're dressed, you get dressed as fast as you can, you do your hair and makeup, and all you need is your shoes, and you go to your closet, you grab your right shoe, and you're like, where is that left shoe?
Yes.
You have no idea where it is.
Becomes chaos.
You start getting stressed out, worked up. All you want to do is go back to bed. Imagine not having that stress in the morning. Imagine being able to see every single pair of your shoes, have it categorized by style or by color, and easily grab it and go. How wonderful would that be? You can do that by simply having a shoe rack. And what I love about StoreSmith is that you can actually get the exact amount of shoe storage you need. Not too much, not too little, because you can customize it for the exact number that you currently have.
And you can literally double your real estate when it comes to shoes. So if you've got your shoes lined up in your closet, you can double them by just adding a second story. It doesn't have to go to an elevator to go to the next floor. You just like put it down and then it goes on the second story. It's like adding, you know what that is? It's vertical storage. So horizontal storage is so limited, but vertical you can go up. And here's another thing. Sometimes if you have it in your closet, you don't want to go too far. You just start hitting your clothes. It's the perfect amount for shoes. You just want to go one floor up.
We have an example over here. Down on the floor, you can kind of see what it kind of looks like. A lot of times you kind of throw your shoes on the floor and you have this pile and you're always hunting for that other pair and it's difficult to find. But you could have this. You could have that ability of having your clothes nice and spread out, not gonna touch your shoes. I can still see every single pair. I can easily go over here and grab my 3 to 4 inch high heels because they're gonna fit underneath. My husband can grab his size 12 sneakers and pull them right out whenever he needs because it's so easy to manipulate however you want. But I just love that you can see everything in front of you. Once you can see it, you have clarity, you have that ease of mind, you have freedom. When you can get ready quickly in the morning, you have more time to do the things that you want to do, like actually spend time with your family and enjoy your alone time.
So by the way, the Today's Special shoe, which I'm wearing, I know that one thing I know about you guys right now is you're buying the Today's Special. So if you're saying I'm adding shoes to my closet right now, where am I going to put it? We've got the answer. And you're not getting 1, you're not getting 2, you're not getting 3 or 4. You're getting 5 for $19.95. By the way, we're doing FlexPay under $10 to get home. The shipping and handling is $3 for anywhere in the country, and everything has a 30-day money-back guarantee. But I can tell you, I actually just organized the shoes in my closet. It's the most freeing feeling in the world, and it's also looks like a mess. And look at the difference. And you know, for your husband, for your son, for your daughter, for you. I mean, by the way, there's no harm in saying I'm gonna organize everybody's closet. I'm gonna organize. I'm gonna get a couple sets. You got 3 closets in the house. You can get 3 sets at $9.98 to get home. You do have a choice. You can get the black or you can get the khaki. I would recommend maybe get black for your husband, khaki for you, so that you're saying those are yours, these are mine. I'm very much like mine. You know what I mean? Don't come near my shoes.
We do have all the shoes.
Yeah, we do. Let's face it.
My husband's a basketball coach. Like, he's not all about shoes. He has a found a pair of sneakers.
Right,
but he's not about dress shoes, he's not about all that stuff. He doesn't actually need this money. So for him, what I love about this being modular is that I can just put out 4 of these, and he's got his 8 pairs of shoes, right?
Right.
That gives me an extra one.
An extra one,
now
right.
I get 2 more pairs of shoes.
I see the math you're doing.
Right, or I
Right.
can give it to my kids with another set, or I can put it in the office. So when I go to work, I can arrive in my flip-flops, and I can have my high heels, a tan and a black pair,
Yes.
ready to go so I can look professional, make a mudroom out of it, so when you have people come to your home,
yes.
or you know what, stack these up, throw them in a corner, and when you buy your Today Show special shoes,
yes.
you know you have storage ready to go when they arrive. Because the biggest problem I have found with the shoe racks that are currently for sale is it's for a specific number. For whatever reason, it's always a multiple of 3.
Look at
so
that.
For
Look
6, for 18. Now,
look at that. Look
they
at
can
that.
go for exactly how many pairs of shoes. That can go into your bed.
All right, let me just jump in for a second. So here's the deal. This is the first presentation of the visit. We brought in 2,000 for the visit. Everybody's already saying yes to them. This could conceivably only have 1 show. So if you're on the fence at all, I would get it. And this is something where I hope we get this back. We will get this back. I just don't know if it's gonna be 6 months or 2 months. Get 1 of the sets in the black, 1 in the khaki, or 2 in the khaki and 2 in the. If you think that you have more than 8 pairs of shoes, I would do that because you can double your real estate with vertical storage. So you've got your floor, you put this on, you get another pair, you can see both of them very clearly. And by the way, if your husband is always like, you know, digging for shoes, where's this, where's that? And by the way, you really get clearly to see what do I need?
Oh, yes.
It's like, you know what? I do not have any nude pumps, because you look at all of them, you go, that's what's missing. It's just like your jewelry armoire.
Yep.
Once you organize your jewelry, you're like, you know what? I just realized I have 75 pairs of hoops and I don't have any like turquoise jewelry. You know, it's like once you organize, you really see clearly what you have. You don't buy something twice.
That's what I was going to say
money.
next. Have
Yes.
you ever done that? Where you're like,
I've done it a million times.
Apparently, I don't own tan
Right.
shoes.
Right.
And then, like 3 years later, you're like, oh, that's where that's been hiding.
Right, I have 5 pairs.
How nice would it be if you actually had this set up and you had it categorized? Maybe have all your sneakers together and then your heels, or do it by color. I prefer by color. But you can do it any way you want. And the beauty is, because it's modular, you can get as many as you need for exactly how many pairs of shoes you have. And then it's stackable. It's so easy to put away if for whatever reason you decide to clean out your closet. Maybe your shoes don't fit anymore. Maybe you didn't get the stretcher. Maybe you should. But you can put them away if you don't need
And by the way, it makes any flat surface a shoe storage.
Yes.
Any flat surface, wherever that is in your house, it makes it a shoe storage. So if you've got a shelf, you put your shoes in, you put these on top, you got another pair of shoes, all of a sudden it's custom shoe space. Have you ever seen those closets that people spend $20,000 to redo the closets, to have, oh my gosh, look at those shoes or all that? You can do this with any flat surface in your house for $9.98 on 2 FlexPay. That is the genius of this product. The item number is 541142, and I apologize, we've had a bit of a hold, you know, starting with the shoe stretchers, and now you can go do express automated ordering. Just know if you want khaki or black and how many orders you want, or you can go to hsn.com and put in the item number on your screen, the 541142 number, or if you call in, I promise we're gonna get to your calls as quickly as possible, but we still have maybe a 1 or 2 minute wait. I apologize for that, and it seems to be growing. So the sooner you call in for this, the better it's gonna be, and this is brand new. Brand new, brand new, brand new. I love it.
And you're not gonna find this anywhere else, because everything that is currently on the market is a specific amount of shoes that you have to have that.
Right.
And if you're not using that top row, now it's just that extra wasted space, or you feel like you have to buy more shoes. This is your opportunity to say, okay, I had X amount of shoes, I need X amount of these, so that I can make my own custom closet at an extremely affordable route. Now, Helen, I know you, I don't wanna make you cry, but I know your little girl's gonna be going off to college soon,
you
right?
did. Everyone mentions that, I start crying. That's 100% true.
How awesome are these for a dorm room? Because you don't get that extra space.
True.
You can put these underneath the bed. You could have potentially 10 of them, so 20 pairs of shoes.
And I'm going to be living with her in the dorm, so I need
so
my
your
shoes.
have to be there too. Yes. So you might have like multiple rows back there. They'll be on all 3 sides of the bed.
She's watching. She's like, wait, what? No, that's not happening, Mom. Mom.
You're just going to visit every weekend.
She's going to get a restraining order against her own mother. I'm like, I miss you. All right, anyway. So you get 5 of them. That's the awesome part.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 of them. So it's going to take 5 pairs of shoes and make it room for 10 pairs of shoes. Any flat surface in your house becomes vertical storage for your shoe. You add one on and the perfectly, you know, and by the way, the angle is perfect so you get to see your shoe. And this is brand new. It's never been on air before. 2 color choices. This is the khaki. That's the black. Megan has opened them up to you. So here's the deal. You're getting 5 of these. And by the way, they store on top of each other like this. So, you know, they're super easy, you know, to store. Like when they come to you, they come stacked. So as your shoe needs expand and contract, you know, all you do is go like this, and super easy. And by the way, this isn't a shoe system that you have to get out like an Allen wrench and a drill and 6 people and and a
like
spotter and some DW40. You know, I don't know what I'm talking about now. You know,
I like where you're going with that. Yeah.
I just made this an extravaganza. You don't literally. There's zero putting it together, and for me, that's the perfect amount of putting it together.
All you have to decide is where you want your shoes.
Yeah.
Do you want them in your closet?
Where are your shoes in your house?
Mine are on the bottom row of my closet,
right,
directly under.
That's where
so
most of mine
if we take a look at this closet, basically this is exactly how it's set up in my house, so that when I look at my stuff, I can have my outfit set up and I look straight down and I say, oh, all right, I'm going to wear these today. And I just pull it right out and I'm good to go. Now, you do have to remember to put your shoes away.
Yes.
Obviously. But now there's a hole there.
Well,
so you know where to put it when it's time to take those shoes off.
Well, it's like kindergarten, you know, where they've got everything for a place for everything and everything for his place.
A cubby hole for everything.
Right. It was like the first thing we learned at going to kindergarten. This is now like your husband now can put this is where it goes. I'm going to do it for you once, and then all you do is put it back.
I'm going to talk real slow. Honey,
this
is for your shoes.
Right. That's the way I talk to all men. That might be my problem. That might be my issue, Megan.
I talk to my 2-year-old and my husband exactly the same.
I talk to everybody that way.
But you know what? That makes it work.
Yeah.
And you know, the whole idea about getting organized is that when you're free of the clutter, your mind is also free of the clutter.
Right.
You can think clearly, you can see things clearly, and now you feel like you can actually have more time with your day to do other things.
I love it. All right, thank you, my friend. Now you're going to stay with me for the next item.
Yeah, we're going to talk about laundry.
Oh, laundry.
We're getting organized everywhere.